I hope everything is going great. Today we will dive into the simplest way to display toast notifications in Laravel using Toastify, a popular JavaScript library. Let us see through an example. Here is a HTML form where there are three fields. First, we add name, then email, and lastly image. When click on submit button, if submitted successfully, then success message will show, and if error, then error message will show. Now we will see how the whole process is done. Firstly, firstly install Laravel. Use Laravel documentation here. Good. Then you can use Toastify two-way. One of them npm. Use command line. This command. Alternative, you can use cdn within the head section. jQuery, Toastify CS and JS. Then create a master's layout for Toastify. Go to the resource directory view here code. Now this code show here head section jQuery Toastify CS JS and HTML simple code action route store your name email student and submit button. After this code add um, Toastify code. Toastify code two section success message and error message. Success message include text, duration, close, clarity, position, and same error message. Just simple. And set flash message in controller. PHP artisan make controller, message controller, web root. That's simple. Web first was show, then store method, student controller, store and return with success message data is added successful. Everything is okay. Output result. Here are some screenshot to toast. If you want to edit the Toastify configuration by yourself, then visit this link. This link. This link is Toastify official GitHub link demo here and everything here code editable text node duration sector destination etc. All the code shown so far given into the link description.